Now we're going to start the class where we have left in the last class. So, dear learners, welcome, dear learners. In last class, we have analyzed about the evolution of cities. That is, evolution of ancient cities, and we have already analyzed the evolution of ancient city, and we will discuss about the evolution of modern city. Evolution of modern city. So modern city, that evolution of city has undergoes a process of development. Undergoes a process of development. So before stepping to analyze the evolution of modern city, what is modern city? Modern city may be defined as those city or urban area that belongs to the present and recent time. That means the present day city may be referred as the modern city. So the emergency of modern city is based on the modernization process. So after the industrialization and modernization process is on, that modern cities come into existence. And the cities are associated with modern, efficient means of production and provide a heterogeneity of goods, services, and interaction, heterogeneity of the population with a range of contact among peoples and places is what is known as a modern city. In modern city is characterized by certain features. Maybe heterogeneous population को देखिएगा. Then we can see here new technology of production and an efficient means of production and a complex social relationship. All these are characteristics of modern city. So the modern city is also characterized by it has a different dimensions. Modern city has different dimensions like the spatial morphology and location, economic structure, the demographic and sociological structure, and technological structure. These are the four important components or dimensions of a modern city. So the morphological, so spatial morphological location. Basically, we know that number of modern cities have been developed either through colonial enterprise or due to administrative and political reasons by the colonial rulers. Let's say modern city. Now we do say Bombay, Calcutta, Madras, Chennai. All these are due to this colonial enterprise. Modern cities basically develops. So it has a dual character. Cities, modern cities have a dual character. They comprise a traditional section along with the modern character. So modern city does not mean that there is complete absence of traditional factors. There are certain traditional characters that hold to the past medieval or ancient cities. So both that's why any modern city, all cities have a dual character. It is the character of modernity at the same time the character of traditional society. So modernity, you must know what is modernity. Modernity को हमें दूसरा way रे बुझता है. Modernity may be seen in terms of model of modern Western city. That would way of modernity. It also command a own immediate past and looking amount to the development that taken place. So modernity means the development that has taken place at the present juncture is what is called as modern city. Then spatial organization, it is relatively a new city. Modern city is a relatively new city founded and developed primarily after the beginning of the 19th century. 19th century ପରେ जो city गुड़ा सब evolve ହେଇଛି ତାକୁ ଆମେ modern city ବୋଲି କହୁଥିବା ଏବଂ ସେଥିରେ modern city ର character କ'ଣ ଏଥିରେ ସେଠି heterogeneous population ଥିବ. Second, there must be a developed means of production and new methods of production. All these are characterized by a modern city. Then that is spatial location. Then economic structure of modern city. What should be the economic structure of a modern city? Every city had an economic structure because we can say that a city is also an economic organization. So say that modern city has its own economic organization. The traditional city was primarily concerned with the religious ceremony, political, administrative functions, and agricultural nature. Uh, but modern city has a large market. Modern city provides for a large market, industry, trade and commerce. These are the features of a modern city. Modern city then goods are brought from outside and transacted. So transaction of goods is about the characteristics of modern city. Business, trade and business. Then demographic and sociological structure. Every city has its own demographic and or sociological structure. In a modern city, death rate have fallen significantly due to development, better health facilities, health consciousness among people, high level of literacy rate. इस सब कारणों जो modern city death rate is low, but the birth rate have continued as before. So the birth rate is common. So this body chale. So due to the decline in the infant mortality rate, there has been a natural population increase. So infant mortality has been reducing due to different governmental health measures. So population increases. So modern city has a trend of increasing population. It's characterized by trend of increasing population. वर्धित जनसंख्यार गोटे ट्रेंड मॉडर्न सिटी में लक्ष्य करी and so that's why it is considered as the demographic structure of a modern city. So modern city रा जो demographic structure अच्छी हमें तो कोई परिवा के what is the demographic constituents of that is male female population, the age sex composition, then age composition. इस सब को हमें demographic structure हिसाब से गोटे देखने पारो. So there are other social trends in modern city. So the changes in family structure, that is family in modern city, the traditional city जो family थी हमारे joint family that has changed into nuclear family. So family structure is changed होला. Literacy rate वृद्धि होला. Then sex ratio मतलब change होती modern city. The sex ratio are always in favor of male, always in favor of male. So ये सब को हमें उड़े. So during a social occasions of marriage or other birth or child tend to follow social observation. In modern city, different kinds of social observation are also. So this is about the demographic or sociological structure of a city, structure of a modern city. So then come to discuss about the technological structure. So technology, what do you mean by technology? Ordinarily, technology means the application of scientific knowledge. What we say technology. Application of scientific knowledge is called as technology. So technological modern city witness a technological change. The city changes from traditional or ancient city or medieval city to modern city. There is we mark a change in technology. The technological change so the network of good roads, modern means of communication, transportation, it would also go a technological structure change. New users of new technology, so communication network, satellite township. So these are the technological changes structure of a modern city. So then after modern city, then pre-industrial city. Another evolution of pre-industrial city. So pre-industrial cities has been coined by social scientists for those cities in Asia and Africa that have arisen without stimulus from a form of production that is associated with the European Industrial Revolution. And this pre-industrial city is characterized by a complex social organization, a highly developed state or religious institution, and a rigid class structure. A pre-industrial city. So pre-industrial city is right. That means industrialized pre-industrial city कहले तो industry आरंभ हुआ पूर्वर जो शहर सब existed है सेटा को pre-industrial city कहते हैं. एवं यही टर्म दा सोशल साइंटिस्ट मन यूज करछन्ती पर्टिकुलरली एशिया और अफ्रीका रे जो शिल्प विप्लव आरंभ होवार पूर्व जो शहर मान विकास होता से प्री इंडस्ट्रियल सिटी भाव व्याख्या करा एशिया और आफ्रिका महादेश पर्टिकुलरली जो शिल्प विप्लव यूरोपियन कंट्री है जो हठात शिल्प विप्लव आसलानी एशिया और आफ्रिका को तेणु यही शिल्प विप्लव आसवा पूर्वर जो सहर गुड़िक परिलक्षित होता आम कहू प्री इंडस्ट्रियल सिटी So pre-industrial cities has three aspects, mainly ecological organization, economic organization, और social organization. Because any city रो जेकोन सी कोटे city रे हमें तीनटा जिनिस को बेसिक गुरुत्व है. Every city has an economic organization, every city has a social organization, and जेतु it is a modern and a pre-industrial city, then it is a ecological organization. So these three are the three aspects of industrial city. प्रत्येक सिटी तीनटा आस्पेक्ट रही एवं प्री इंडस्ट्रियल सिटी रही. सो इकोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कहले द प्री इंडस्ट्रियल सिटीज डिपेंड ऑन देयर एग्जिस्टेंस अपॉन द फूड एंड रॉ मटेरियल बिकॉज इंडस्ट्री अराइज करने थे तेणु दे सोलिली डिपेंड ऑन द फूड एंड रॉ मटेरियल्स ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम आउटसाइड एंड दे सर्व मेनली एज ए मार्केट सेंटर. प्री इंडस्ट्रियल सिटी गुड़ाक ओनली ट्रीटेड एज ए market center for the industrial city. So their main function is to supply food and raw material to the industrial city or to the developed country. So that is the ecological. So iju rahila. So it is a number of handicrafts are also manufactured in this center. Handicrafts were manufactured because they industry is nahi. The people are engaged in village and cottage industry and making few handicraft products. Is so American. And the important political, religious, and educational activities taken place in society. This समय यदि आउ कौन सब काम होए ना mainly religious और educational activities, political activities. जेतु industries साइटा की, so सही समय कौन होती है the different political, religious, and educational activities are going on in these pre-industrial cities. So on that basis, in prior to pre-industrial cities, the cities was known for religious activities. It is known for their social activities, social observance of different social meetings, or political organization. In some kind of Saurabha involved. So the city was known by that. So that is concerned. So ecological organization. So this ecological organization, pre-industrial cities, is not business center. The internal arrangement of this pre-industrial city is closely related to the city's economic and social structure. It has economic and social structure city. The concrete good road, provision of modern transport system, so these are different social divisions are also found in the city. A number of social divisions are also found in the city. Social division even a pre-industrial city, it is not a business center which holds the position of dominance, but it is the religious center that is usually focal point of community life. You know, a pre-industrial city, business is a focal point, but religious activities are focal point of community life. Religious centers. So pre-industrial cities was act as a religious center. Religious center is available. Then ecological organization, then come to the economic organization of the industrial cities. So economy of pre-industrial city differ from industrial city and also from the ancient medieval city. Every city has its own economic organization. So also the pre-industrial city. The pre-industrial city economic organization certainly differ from industrial city as well as the agricultural city or the ancient city. The main difference is that there is absence of industrialization. Pre-industrial city is the absence of industrialism. Industrialism or that is they use inanimate forces of production in production, inanimate object in production. Then animate object. Modern city ta kon kare or industrial city kon animate forces को use करे. किंतु एटी industrial city में inanimate forces को use करे. That means human or animal. ସେମାନେ जो production करନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ एही energy को use करके inanimate object को use करନ୍ତି. Some are animals or otherwise human beings are produced their activities. The cities depend on production of goods and services upon animate, that is human animal sources of energy. And animate sources of energy ଉପରେ ନିର୍ଭର କରନ୍ତି କିଏ ପ୍ରି ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଆଲ ସିଟିର ଲୋକମାନେ। ତେଣୁ ତାଙ୍କର ଇକୋନୋମି ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନଟା ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଆଲ ସିଟି ଭଳିଆ animate object ନୁହେଁ। ପୁଲି ହୁଇଲ এই ସବୁ ଜିନିଷକୁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରି ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କର ଇକୋନୋମିକ ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟିଜ ସମ୍ପାଦନ କରିଥାନ୍ତି ପ୍ରି ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଆଲ ସିଟିରେ। animate bullock cart, animate uses the different animals, horses, horse cart, donkey cart. These are also used for different for as a source of energy. These are the characteristics of pre-industrial city. Another aspect of pre-industrial city is associated with the unique system of production. City production of the city specialization nahi. Specialization is absent in pre-industrial city. System of production में specialization जेमती अच्छी है ठीक होगी modern city by industrial city रे city pre-industrial specialization of for the greater industrial city every individual jointly or cooperatively perform their activities. Then pre-industrial cities commercial activities are also conducted in pre-industrial cities by individual without a highly formal organization. Ethi commercial activities ta kiye in modern city or industrial city everything is formalized. Commercial activities formalized. Into in pre-industrial city it was not formalized. It is manualized or informal way re chalti. So tar example ame koi pariba जेमती सिटी का इंडस्ट्रियल सिटी हे जाउची मॉडर्न सिटी हे जाउची सेतबेले प्रत्येक जिंस बिजनेस ता भी फॉर्मल हे जाउची देयर इज फॉर्मल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जेमती आमे ओमफेड इट इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ फॉर्मल सेलिंग ऑफ मिल्क किंतु इनफॉर्मल सेलिंग थिला कोन ना वी कलेक्ट इट फ्रॉम द मिल्क सेलर घर घर आनी की दे जाउतला दैट वाज ए काइंड ऑफ इनफॉर्मल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ बिजनेस किंतु इन प्री इंडस्ट्रियल सिटी इनफॉर्मल बिजनेस सब थिला किंतु इंडस्ट्रियल सिटी को सेटा फॉर्मल हे जाउची तेन बिजनेस रो पैटर्न था तेन इकोनॉमिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज इनफॉर्मली ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन ए प्री इंडस्ट्रियल सिटी so then come to the social organization of pre industrial city every city has its own socio economic and political organization ecological organization so the social organization कहले basically refers to the structure functions of family religious institution educational institution so the social organization means family religious educational governmental systems and a social organization means there was no absence of middle class in a social organization of the pre-industrial city. Pre-industrial city re social re konsi middle class matlab social mobility was less. Social mobility was less. So there because people in a pre-industrial cities are less mobile. So they satisfy their needs within their limited environment. Tanko nijo simita paribesh bhitare they satisfy all their needs and necessities. So that's why it is very limited in nature. So then the masses produce handicrafts and provides services mainly for the elite. So maybe out of pre-industrial system kono hochi na eti the masses the general people produce whatever they produce it for the elite class of the society. Elite class by produce karanti and elite class of the pre-industrial city maintain a very luxury life and at the behest of all these general masses of the society. There is a formalized system of age grading as a mechanism of control in pre-industrial city. Pre-industrial city, the family elder son is the considered as the uses of power. So these are the social organization and the family system. Pre-industrial is different. That is based on joint family. The religious organization, education, these are the social organization how works in a pre-industrial city. Then we'll discuss about the industrial city. Modern city I mean आलोचना करें pre-industrial करें तापरे आसबो industrial शिल्प भित्तिक समाज में कहू कहबा a city is known as a city not only because more or diverse population live together, but also more work and different kinds of work perform. ଯେମିତି work perform ହଉଛି ସେଇ ଅନୁସାରେ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ସିଟିଟାକୁ ସହର ବୋଲି କହୁଛେ। ଖାଲି ପପୁଲେସନ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ଏତିକି ବାସ କରିଗଲେ ଯେ ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ସହର ଆମେ କହିବା ସେମିତି କୁହାଯାଇ ପାରିବ ନାହିଁ। ବରଂ ଆମେ ମୋର ୱାର୍କ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ କାଇଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଅଫ ୱାର୍କ ଆର୍ ପରଫର୍ମ ଦେୟାର। ସିଟିଟା କ'ଣ ହବ ମାନେ ଇନ୍ ଏ ସିଟି, ଇନ୍ ଏ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଆଲ ସିଟି, people run by minutes and seconds. Works are organized. Industrial city work are organized. Sanghatita work, and people have no leisure, less leisure time, and every people always move by count of seconds. Second is very important for everyone's life. So everything was an organized and systematized form, and the people are engaged in a variety of work, more work, diverse population, diversified work. All these mark the beginning of a industrial city. There are time schedule of workplace, or time schedule of working. That is somewhere we go by office by 10, we have to leave by office by 6. So these are the formalities that is marked in a industrial city. So there are certain characteristics of a industrial city. Ways of work. Industrial city ways of work. How we work. Work in city usually described as industrial work, which does not work in factories only. It also includes work in commerce, transport, roads, teaching, communication, many other things. ये सब को मतलब इंडस्ट्रियल वर्क भी कहते हैं इंडस्ट्रियल सिटी। खाली इंडस्ट्रियल सिटी रे वर्क कहले ये खाली गोटे शिल्प रे जो माने काम करे सेटा इंडस्ट्रियल वर्क कहबो, अदर्स नो, बट ऑल दी सर्विस सेक्टर रे जो माने काम करू सेटा इंडस्ट्रियल वर्क भी कहते हैं। बट हाउ एम्फासिस प्लेस ऑन यूज ऑफ मशीन्स एंड रिफाइंड वर्क। यूज ऑफ मशीन एटी वेज ऑफ वर्क कोन ना स्ट्रेस इज ऑन मशीन। हम मशीन ऊपर बेसी वर्क करबा एवं वर्क प्लेस रे हमें इंक्रीज द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ वर्कर्स। एफिशिएंसी वर्कर मानकर एफिशिएंसी बढ़ेवा एवं तांकर रिफाइनमेंट ऑफ वर्किंग एटा बा इंडस्ट्रियल वेज ऑफ वर्किंग। एई वेज ऑफ वर्क कले हम सेटा गोटे इंडस्ट्रियल सिटीज का कैरेक्टर भी करता। तो ट्रेडिशनल वे रे काम करबार शैली इट इज ए रिफाइंड वे ऑफ वर्किंग जेतरा आसीबो सेठी इंडस्ट्रियल सिटीज का आरंभ होला बोले कहता। देन मोबिलिटी। मोबिलिटी मींस संचालनशीलता। Industrial city, the people are frequently mobile, or they have to be mobile frequently because of their work compulsions. ସେମାନଙ୍କର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟର ବାଧ୍ୟବାଧକତା ଯୋଗୁଁ ଏ ସିଟିର ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଆଲ ସିଟିର ଲୋକମାନେ ବାଧ୍ୟ ହୋଇ ବେଶୀ ମୋବାଇଲ କରନ୍ତି। continuous movement of people are marked and they search for better opportunity. There is also individual mobility, physical mobility, there is also occupational mobility also marked in industrial city. Industrial city occupational mobility देखा जाए। Everyone is searching for an improvement in their job. प्रत्येक व्यक्ति इंडस्ट्रियल सिटी रे चाहूँगी से जो प्रेजेंटली वर्किंग करती जो ऑक्युपेशन है ताको गोटे बेटर ऑक्युपेशन केमती तार शिफ्ट करिवो। तो सेटा को हमें ऑक्युपेशनल मोबिलिटी बोली कहला। So there is a high people of the industrial city. Industrial city लोक मान करे गोटे हाई achievement orientation. हमें केमती मूव करते हैं। That leads to occupational mobility. That leads to individual mobility. So people to increase their income move from city to city. Suppose I am working in industry in Bhubaneswar, so I am searching for applying for different industries, and in Delhi I got a chance of working in the same industry with high salary. So naturally I have to move to Delhi by leaving my job in Bhubaneswar. So this is how this mobility, occupational mobility, is very common feature of an industrial city. Then impersonal social interaction. Interaction is common, as city is also a social organization. So as human beings are living in the city, so social interaction is also and you mark the thing the city is the organic solidarity increasing social communication. Communication by interrelationship, by social interaction, rampant and quick. So industrial social interaction, industrial social interaction quick, but all these social interaction are impersonal. जोटा प्री इंडस्ट्रियल सिटी रे पर्सनल लेवल ले थिला इंटरेक्शन बा हमें जनको इमोशनली या पर्सनल लेवल ले जनको सहित होउछु that is not available in industrial city. The social interaction among person is impersonal. People only elements of anonymity in civil life is found. There is primary interaction only available in the primary members. People city re je industrial city re je primary interaction nahi sakta nahi, but that is confined only to family and near and dear. But all other relations interactions remain informal. So that's why impersonal, informal and impersonal. Then time and tempo compulsions. Another characteristics of industrial city is the time compulsion. In the nature of work, industrial work, life in urban community becomes clocks regulator. Clock it is regulated. Life in the industrial city is regulated by clock. Frequently, life in a modern city or industrial city are regulated by watch. Every people are counting their every minutes and seconds and engaging themselves in different and varied kinds of work to get a better lifestyle, to earn more, to establish, to get more, receive more status. All these crazes are found in industrial city, and that's why the time compulsion are there in industrial city. Time compulsion high. Among say time compulsion, people devour people to share time with their family, friends, relatives. That is the feature. Then family living and individual. Family living and individual. Another characteristics of industrial city. Family living. Traditionally, the family has been a large measure of measurements. Either membership of family, the status of an individual depend on his or her membership in the family and mainly joint family. The joint family system begins to disintegrate and nuclear family develop in industrial city. Industrial city कौन हुआ ना तो industrial city जो है joint family प्राय रहने वाला. It disintegrate कर दियो तो new family form will emerge, that is a nuclear family. And in nuclear family, individual have an important role to play. Individual गुरुत्वपूर्ण भूमिका रहबो एवं family tends to lose some of its old functions and acquire new functions. এই industrial family के कथा पूर्ण function हरेबो उन के function hide करबो. So individual have to play different kinds of roles. Then environment is man-made and environment. In the industrial city, whatever you find that is man-made. Naturality is less marked in industrial city. Is an artificial, not natural. It is man-made, a kind of environment. This is what about industrial city. Then, what are the features of industrial city? How the feature what a new role emerge in the city. That is, there is new role of individual. City re individual manकर नुआ role. The industry city re individual role करते ले एक ही नुआ प्रकार role play करते. Then another feature the special market. Industrial city re special market. What market that is specialized for a particular items. Industrial city re feature कौन? A special market. जैसे हमें कोई मार्केट market. What specially organized would a place only these pieces will be available. Yeah. So this specialization of market will be available for a variety of products. So how they can have a linkage between larger cities and highly interdependent. Due to the linkage, this another characteristic, important characteristic of a industrial city is highly interdependent. The culture of interdependency is high. In urban life, everywhere we have to define. आम जीवनटा ये आत्मनिर्भरशील हमारा परनिर्भरशील सब फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग ऑफ आवर डे वी डिपेंड ऑन अदर्स we depend on milk wala, we depend on others for food, for everything, but we have to municipality people to clean our everything we have to depend. So that's why high degree of interdependency is a characteristic of industrial city. Then another is that specialization of functions. Specialization. In industrial city, people perform special functions. In pre-industrial city, gote loko sab kaam karta hai. But here we find only specialist. Specialization of work, no, nothing other. So specialization is the characteristic of industrial city. About a plan. Industrial city is a planned city. Street, road, buildings, everything was in a planned manner. So we try and go. I won't go over industrial city. Every industrial city has some regulating authority. Has some regulating authority. So, ଯେତେଗୁଡ଼ା ଜିନିଷକୁ ସବୁ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ରେଗୁଲେଟେଡ୍ ଇଲେକ୍ଟେଡ୍ ବଡି ହେଇପାରେ ବା ଗୋଟେ अन्य कौन प्रकार authority करे, there must be some authority to control or regulate all these. Then we'll discuss about functional classification of cities. Functional classification of cities. So cities, we know that cities are built to perform some functions for human beings. Then a city perform many functions. Then a city को हमें different way classify करते हैं, and city may be classified on the basis of their functions. Functions basically मतलब to classify. So these functions of city, according to RSUs, that 6 urban functions that classified 6 urban functions for the city. City category function करे, and on that basis of function cities can be classified. What is the administrative function? City performs some administrative function because the population, but how these people will be administered, how police administration will function. So there are different civil administration, police administration, legal administration. This सबको manage करेगा पड़ेगा. So these are the administrative functions of a city. Then defense functions. Every city have to perform its own defense to defend itself. So security reason नहीं करे, but to defend from different kind of diseases, to defend from any kinds of sluggishness, to defend people from high rate, increasing rate. These are defensive functions of a city. Then cultural functions. So you know culture. So our city is a social organization. So naturally people are there, and there are certain cultural functions are organized for merrymaking, for entertainment of people. So these are different cultural functions are also. As there are a number of people are living, so marriage, social occasion, birth, death, issue ceremonies are being observed. So these सब function by the city में arrangement करेंगे पड़ेगा. Generally we are arranging the mandapals, the houses, the meeting houses, the literary discussion with different places are there. So all these kinds of arrangements are there for cultural function. So city also performs some cultural functions. Besides, there are also production function. Production function पहले हमें the city has to produce, because industrial production नहले पूरे city exist करेगा. The city has to produce something. किसी ना किसी produce करेगा पड़ो, either in industrial form. The city तो उधर agricultural place नहीं, no, it is an industrial place. So that it is an industrial place, so it has to perform certain production function. That means it produce something for as per the needs of the people. There are local needs to fulfill. The city produces something. Then communication function. There must be communication. Communication function. How people communicate with each other. What are the systems of communication? How people will better communicate? Because communication is an important part of the city life. Communication function. Then recreation function. The city must have to make necessary arrangement must look into the recreation function of its population. Had it not been so, then there will be increasing crime, conflict, so that's why to calm these people's conflicting mind, there must be certain recreational functions are arranged by the city. city have to make provision for film hall. You have to make for the jatra, commencement of different kinds of jatra. There is different utsav, melody, all these kinds of entertainment program, puja, observations of different puja, these kind of recreational function must be arranged by the city and the other functions of the city. So there are certain Harris and Edward who usually classified cities, good cities को हमें different place रे the transport cities, central cities, these are the cities and the census population census जो हम हुए they classified the 10 main urban functions, urban city center function को दर्शा भाग करे function primary functional activities, primary functional cultivation, agriculture, labor, livestock, ये सब रहेगा. तापरे industry, manufacturing, processing, servicing and repairing, trade and commerce, then transport, storage, communication, ये सब बचला. तापरे service category, service, जो हमारा service provider, विभिन्न service provider को, है ना उधर city रे जैसे huge population are living, they require certain service provision. And से गुड़ा को मतलब सबू provide करा जाए. These are the then in city we have certain commercial centers. City, there are some cities which is declared as a commercial center because trade and commerce the two major activities of medieval cities. Medieval city basically trade and commerce. That gives more stress on trade and commerce. As cities, so merchant and traders are organized into guilds. So the merchant our traders organized in different guilds. Corporate house already guild. So these are commercial rise and fall of different commercial towns and cities and markets are dependent on political security. Even Yuda Sukunukla, so one could rise and fall easy. City commercial center, what you see, Potanagati, city Raiji, Portana city would have a main force of trade and commerce. Remember trade and commerce would a primary functions of city. Then administrative towns. There are some cities which is considered as administrative towns. City administrative town several administrative town cities are headquarters of different states. In the administrative, Bhubaneswar, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Bihar, Patna, Punjab, Assam, Guwahati. So these are called as administrative. That means the capital city, where the administration of a particular state is run, or the administration is managed by the city. Set up an administrative city. So in administrative city, you find all kinds of arrangements, all kinds of administrative bungalows, administrative police, jail, system are there. Secretariat, directorates, all these are administrative features of an administrative town where all kinds of sets of administration are there or well designed or well planned in the administrative city. That is set up an administrative city. Then pilgrimage city or towns. Pilgrimage. Pilgrimage कहले जो हमारा the nation of religious pilgrimage journey है माने journey to religious places for meditating. So there are certain pilgrimage sites. The pilgrimage site the experience people a relaxation, gives people a relaxation. So religion always plays a dominant role in the minds of the people. लोकमानंक मनोरे सबले religion तमरे dominate करके रहता है. So जब Karl Marx कहते हैं religion is the opium of the people. So धर्म होती लोगों पे गुड़ा नशा. So that's why pilgrimage to visit different religious places of importance is a very innate desire of every man. Whenever we get a free time or we get leisure, we always try to move to different religious places first. So that's why, so pilgrimage, there are certain towns which provide these facilities as known as pilgrimage town. ଯେମିତି ଆମେ କହିପାରିବା ପୁରୀ, ଯେମିତି ଆମେ କହିପାରିବା ଅଯୋଧ୍ୟା, ଯେମିତି କହିପାରିବା ଆମେ ଏଇ ସବୁ great places in India that are available, known for their religious importance. So, and pilgrimage रे गोटे होची sacred site, religious territory, bank of a river, or हमें कोई करीबा sea, port city, एगुड़ा सब जो हमें जाई करू, these are place and important place for the pilgrimage town बोले हमें कभी कोई करीबा different holy places and pilgrimage centers. Holy places are like water flow, religious places, deity site, religious deity site. जेमते हमें कहूचे हमारा शक्ति पीठ सब, शैव पीठ, शक्ति पीठ, these are all these are the holy places and religious places जोटी सब concentrate करता है ताकि हमें pilgrimage town cities or pilgrimage town बोले भी कहता हूँ. People visit frequently to these places to satisfy their inner urge. And there is also always there is an interconnection among these administrative, commercial, and pilgrimage centers. Pilgrimage center man there is a linkage because every city, the administrative city, commercial city or pilgrimage city, the linkage from प्रत्येक offer को boost करेंगे for their economy, economy को boost करेंगे. So that's why there is interconnection between all these. Then separate trains and patterns of urbanization. I mean, urbanization of train of pattern. What are the trains? What are the pattern? Train को ले जो धारा, शहरीकरण रा जो धारा, शहरीकरण जो है शहरीकरण को ले हमें कौन बुझू? शहरीकरण को ले increasing industry or expansion of industry or more and using more production technology for increasing production. So these are called expansion of industrialization. Industrialization for urbanization meaning expansion of urban area or increasing urban population or creation of more and more city life. This सब को हमें urbanization. Urbanization is a process of a refined lifestyle. So what is the trends and patterns of urbanization? So trends and pattern. So pattern of trends kale. So urbanization is a post derivative effect of industrialization. Industrialization no good effect. So this different urban centers have led to a particular kind of a new trend in urbanization and urban growth. माइक्रो लेवल थाए बराबर से मैक्रो लेवल को वर्ती करे एवं दैट माइक्रो एंड मैक्रो urbanization sometimes leads to kind of trade and urbanization across state size, class and settlements. It also tries to underline the problems of calculated growth rate of urban centers, and it leads a particular trend. Every city is known for its own गोटे धारा गति करे गोटे जेकोसी गोटे शहर अर्बानाइजेशन इट लीड्स टुवर्ड्स ए न्यू स्टाइल. सो दैट इज सेटा को हम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पैटर्न बा ताको बहुत तार धारा द पॉपुलेशन ट्रेन हम कहबा द मोरल ट्रेन ऑफ ए सिटी द क्रिमिनल ट्रेन ऑफ ए टाउन जेमती. सो देयर आर सर्टेन सिटीज व्हिच मूव्स इन ए पर्टिकुलर ट्रेन. इट सेट्स ए पैटर्न. जेतबे गोटे educational hub है जो गोटे city इटा को तार educational the city is trending towards a particular educational improvement of the state. So that is a kind of trend. So that is the trend and pattern. Trend setting and pattern setting is important for an urban area. So it is the visionary. It is the town administration. It is the duty of the leaders. It is the duty of administrators to give give a particular pattern or setting or trend setting trend for a city. So, pattern and trends urbanization. So, census classification. So, these trends and pattern of urbanization, it differs according to the pattern of city, the kinds of city. आमे कहूले जो अर्बन सिटी टा हमर पॉपुलेशन भितरी आमे क्लासिफाई कर पाछे क्लास 1 क्लास 2 क्लास 3 क्लास 4 क्लास 5 क्लास 6 एंड so বিভিন্ন category of towns and cities अछि एवं सेही the trends and pattern are decided according to these according to the pattern of type of cities वो सिटी रो समस्त सब सिटी रो ट्रेंड भिन्न भिन्न प्रकार होई है ना so people having a class 6 रो सिटी जोटा रहइबो less than 5000 तारो धारा जा रहइबो एक सिटी of class 1 जोडी 1 लाख रु अर्ध लोक बास करजंती तारो धारा से रहइबो so trends and pattern of cities varies from one city to other cities so these variation are found marked सेटा को हमें ट्रेंड्स बोलकी को now the pattern of urbanization हमें कहते the dynamics of urban development pattern of urbanization को पहले dynamics of urban development urban changes what are the that means pattern of urbanization means examining the changes that is found at the different pace of urbanization ना different step रे जो changes हमें मार्क करते सेटा को हमें patterns of urbanization बोली कहते हैं शहरीकरण रा विभिन्न पेस रे विभिन्न स्तर रे जो सब चेंज गुडा को हमें मार्क करू जो इंप्रूवमेंट हमें मार्क करू जो चेंज को हमें देखू हां सेटा को एनालाइज करिया को सेटा को पैटर्न बोली कहल जाय देन ई जो रीजनल पैटर्न्स द प्रेजेंट population census तार ट्रेंड डेवलपमेंट इन द पोस्ट डेवलपमेंट कोन सिक्र हला कोन सब चेंजेस हला से गुडा को तार पैटर्न बोली के हमें जब हमें सेंसर डाटा भितर हमें कैलकुलेट करला डिफरेंट सिटी रो पॉपुलेशन को देन सेंसर डाटा मतलब रिवील करे that the levels of organization in most of the economically developed states were high in post independence period developed states like West Bengal they had a more per capita income large percentage of population residing in urban area economic activities concentrated in cities एगुडा को सब आरंभ हो सकता है इस आरंभ हो so therefore सेठी विभिन्न प्रकार increasing हवा टाउन रो पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज एगुडा सब करबो एवं पैटर्न ऑफ ग्रोथ जदि हम देखिबा ताले सिटी रो पैटर्न ऑफ ग्रोथ साधारणतः गोटे मध्य ट्रेंड ओ टाइप रो ग्रोथ गोटे सिटी रो होछि द सिटी रो गोटे ग्रोथ होए से सिटी रो ग्रोथ का कुआर बुझाउ समटाइम्स इट इज इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ हुए बेले बेले तार बेटर सोशल गोटे सिटी अछि करके सोशल बेटरमेंट करछि सोशल वैल्यूज आर प्रिजर्व सेटी लेस चोरी डकैती नाही सेटा गोटे ट्रेंड हला सेटा गोटे ट्रेंड सेटिंग हला दे सिटी गोटे पीसफुल सिटी सेटी कोन सी क्राइम नाही सेटी कोन सी डिविजन नाही कोन दंगा नाही so these the city is moving towards a trend सेटा मध्ये गोटे ट्रेंड रहि परे आ गोटे सिटी that is very industrious trend people will work more and more the people of the city will be very industrious so सेटा गोटे that trend setting सेटा मध्ये so then तापर हमें आसीबा the next last हमर chapter that is block 4 ta basically concerned with the development of urban sociology particularly in India so urban sociology हमें जानते डिस्कस करके what is urban sociology last class urban sociology is the study of everything that happen in urban areas रे the urban center बा गोटे सिटी रे जहाँ सब everything that is happened in urban area is also common that is studied by urban sociology so the changing pattern of kinship political controversies, educational deprivation of the labor classes, educational opportunities for higher classes. It's whatever changes, the caste conflict, the crime, increasing crime rate, whatever happening in a city, eh, everything has to be what it is. सबको अध्ययन परिवार का हमारा urban sociology का. तेणु ये जो urban sociology का development है, basically हम जानते हैं कि urban sociology का development हला कोडी ना in America, particularly 20 ରୁ 30 ଭିତରେ 1920 ରୁ 30 ଭିତରେ by basically 1925 1925 रे ए डेवलपमेंट हला अर्बन सोशियोलॉजी डेवलपमेंट हला अमेरिका एवं से जो अर्बन सोशियोलॉजी डेवलपमेंट हला पर इंडिया रे केमती हाउ इट कम इनटू इंडिया केमती इंडिया रे डेवलपमेंट बिकॉज़ यू नो इंडिया has the most ancient civilization in the world, the very ancient civilization in the world, and the cities, the ancient city, the cities evolved in India prior to 2600 BC. ଖ୍ରୀଷ୍ଟପୂର୍ବ 2600 ମସିହା ବେଳକୁ ଏଠି ସବୁଠୁ ପ୍ରାଚୀନତମ ସହର ଥିଲା ଯୋଉଟା ଆମେ ମହେଞ୍ଜୋଦାରୋ ହରପ୍ପା ମହେଞ୍ଜୋଦାରୋ କିନ୍ତୁ how this the origin of urban sociology was first in the Chicago school in America. America Chicago school da a distinct branch of sociology, that's urban sociology, originated in American Chicago school, particularly during the decade 20 to 30 and more particularly 1925. जदियो in at about 1892 Department of Urban Sociology was established in Chicago school. So American sociology, a theoretical base for urban sociology, evolved from a series of studies conducted by University of Chicago during अनेक गुड़ी स्टडी कंडक्ट करागला ऑन सिटीज विभिन्न शहर मानक ऊपर जो स्टडी करागला 1920 ରୁ 30 जो डिकेड सेठी अर्बन सोशियोलॉजी डेवलपमेंट अर्बन सोशियोलॉजी was much to the famous sociologist Robert E. Park, Louis Wirth, Ernest Burgess, R.D. McGinn. These were otherwise known as Chicago School. एमाने का द्वारा अर्बन सोशियोलॉजी डेवलपमेंट हला एवं एमाने चिकागो स्कूल भाबे परिचित. these were the scholars of Chicago school बोली कहला Chicago University रे. They were pioneers of this subject. They were these Burgess, R.E. Park, Louis McGinn. These were the pioneers of Chicago University of the subject of urban sociology. Urban sociology of pioneer in Chicago University. Then the birth of urban sociology as a close association of the expansion of Chicago city. So urban sociology of Chicago city कहीं केला तारो सहित होइजी तार Chicago city रो विकास सहित urban sociology रो विकास ता जड़ित होइजी. The rapid commercialization of and industrialization of the city occurred in the latter part of the 19th. 19th शताब्दीर शेष बेलकू जेतेबेले rapid industrialization urbanization हला Chicago city रे सेतेबेले there was influx of migrants from विभिन्न देशों migrants सब आसे. Variety of migrants from Sweden, Turkey, Europe, France, German, Czechoslovakia, बहुत सब लोग माने आसे. And ये जो कोई देलो जेतेबेले heterogeneity population आसी जाए सेतेबेले टाउनशिप का complex ही जाए the modern city सेटा ही जाए. The city became more and more complex and it became multicultural. It became multicultural, multilingual with unequal distribution of people. This is the characteristic of a modern city. The multilingual है multicultural है so एटा जेतेबेले है that create a complex social organization. एटा the complexity सृष्टि कला. एवं तारी ऊपर ये जो sociologist माने रॉबर्ट पार्क, बर्गेस, मैक्समी एमाने सब तारी ऊपर गोटे विभिन्न प्रकार स्टडी कंडक्ट करे. ये कौन होची गोटे ट्रेन क्वाड जो अपन चित्र इनकी कौन गोटे है अर्थात people माने आसी गले बाहर देश रो विभिन्न प्रकार लोग आसे कौन what this one these are. The population of Chicago doubled because of this. The industrialization rapid hela विभिन्न देश लोग आसे काम करे में city in the source of employment. So the population of Chicago city almost doubled within a very few years. From दिन भीतर within only 30 years its population has already doubled. This rapid growth accompanied by changes in the distribution of the city, population, population expand large areas, certain section of the city grows more rapidly than others. It rapid growth it also past the world became famous for the Chicago sociology. A सब rapid growth, a complexity of organization, congregation of people of multicultural, multilingual people, it became a very focus of the study of Chicago sociology. Data, the Chicago sociology mangra would a focus of study. That is the main focus of the study of the Chicago sociology. So, semana emane kon kale Chicago school ସେମାନେ ଦୁଇଟା ଆସ୍ପେକ୍ଟ ଉପରେ ବେଶୀ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ ଦେଇ ପଢିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ଦ ସ୍ପାଟିଆଲ ପ୍ୟାଟର୍ନ ଅଫ ଦି ସିଟି ଆଣ୍ଡ ଦ କଲଚରାଲ ଲାଇଫ ଏଇଟା ଉପରେ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ ଦେଇ ଚିକାଗୋ ସ୍କୁଲ ଅଧ୍ୟୟନ କରିବାକୁ ଲାଗିଲେ देन जो है स्पाटियल पैटर्न का जो सिटी का स्पाटियल पैटर्न का केमती स्पाटियल पैटर्न कहले कोन एटा टोपोग्राफी ऑफ द लोकल कम्युनिटी एंड द फिजिकल अरेंजमेंट से सिटी का टोपोग्राफी फिजिकल अरेंजमेंट केमती कोन होजी सेटा को माने स्टडी करले एंड इनक्लूड करा स्पेस एंड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पीपल शेल्टर्ड इनहैबिटेंट्स प्लेस ऑफ वर्क प्लेस ऑफ प्ले ये सब को से माने अध्ययन करले ऑल दिस कंसीडर एज स्पाटियल pattern of the city is then another cultural life of people, the modes of living, the customs, the moral values, the ecological studies is the University of Chicago studies emerged from a concern about the social problems of the city. ये जो चिकागो स्कूल से समय तो कम्प्लेक्सिटी देखा गला सोसाइटी हेटेरोजेनस पॉपुलेशन है मल्टीलिंगुअल मल्टीकल्चरल लोक मैंने आसले विभिन्न प्रकार सोशल प्रॉब्लम क्रॉप अप कला तेणु से मल्टीपल सोशल प्रॉब्लम जो क्रॉप अप कला ताको नेबा पाई ताके देखिया पाई ए माने विभिन्न प्रकार स्टडी कंडक्ट करले ताको जानिया पाई तार सॉल्व करिया पाई कैन इफ यू डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड द प्रॉब्लम यू डू नॉट स्टडी द प्रॉब्लम यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड माने मेक ए analysis of the problem or not you can solve the problems so that's why they conduct various kind of study so and during those days the different kinds of social pathology like crime suicide rate prostitution also so these are sociologists like Robert E. Park, Burgess, Mazzoni, emane sabu kon kare ei sab social problems kind of all of a sudden are found in a growing city like Chicago, observe as a result, the urban sociology as a new branch of sociology coming to being in this Chicago University, forming a Chicago School of Urban Sociology. Then, studies on human ecology. Studies in urban or human ecology. Ecology, you know. Ecology is a science that studies the interrelationship between organism and their environment. Ecology को होती विज्ञान साइंस का विज्ञान जाकि मनुष्य आउ तार परिवेश सब भितर अंतर संपर्क को अध्ययन करे. So human ecology is necessary to know human ecology of urban area because unless and until you understand the human ecology, you can't understand a town or urban area in its truest sense. So that's why they conduct the theory of human ecology. So the human ecology of a theory developed. It was a first systematic theory about city. So different scholar mane say human ecology ko janiya pai urban center they develop a very systematic theory, and that human ecology theory is considered as the first systematic theory of urban sociology. So the human ecology was concerned with the specific theoretical problem of how human population adapted to their environment. So, human ecology का से तो concerned हुए basically इधर अध्ययन करे कौन ना the how human population कि बड़ी मनुष्य माने समग्र urban environment सहित निजी को खाप को आवश्यकती सेटा को हमें human ecology बोली कहूँ. How the people accommodate to their urban environment. So Ravati Park says human ecology is a perspective, a method or body of knowledge. Human ecology is a perspective, a method or a body of knowledge essential for the scientific study of social life. Scientific study of social life in urban center. Urban center रे बा सहर रो सोशल लाइफ सामाजिक जीवन को संपूर्ण अध्ययन करिवार जो प्रक्रिया को आमे ह्यूमन इकोलॉजी माध्यम अध्ययन करिथाउ स्टडी थ्रू ह्यूमन इकोलॉजी द इकोलॉजिकल अप्रोच assume the significant place in urban study तेणु इकोलॉजिकल अप्रोच अर्बन सोशियोलॉजी रे सबुठु गोटे गुरुत्वपूर्ण अप्रोच भाबे परिगणित तो the Ravati Park, Adam McGoney and Burgess, they attempted to relate ethnographic characteristics of urban life to the spatial distribution of urban population. Ethnographic studies with the urban population of spatial distribution को से जोड़ने को चेष्टा करी ताको analyze करने को चाहिए. And Burgess treated the growth of the city in terms of physical expansion. From Burgess city को कम से कम and in the form of its physical expansion. शारीरिक जो भौगोलिक भौतिक एक्सपांशन जो हम संपर्षण हम से भितर डिफरेंटेशन इन स्पेस से भितर से आलोचना करने so urban sociology is based upon identifying and mapping of geographical sectors of a large land area and then analyzing social phenomena which are peculiar to the various smaller areas. So social phenomena are peculiar to different areas of this social phenomena to the peculiar cities that are so human ecology रो कौन करबो न ताको आइडेंटिफाई करबो मैपिंग करबो विभिन्न जियोग्राफिकल सेक्टर रे केमती स्पेसिफिक काइंड ऑफ सोशल फेनोमेना बा प्रॉब्लम पॉप अप करूची सेटा को सुनने आलोचना कर सो देयर आर वेरियस ecological studies have to produce a composite overview of a group tendencies and a specific group tendencies ira overview dabo ecological study गुडा का गोटे वेरियस ग्रुप रो गोटे tendencies of what are the tendencies and trends of that group. So there are various ecological models that attempt to analyze urban social structure. So Sahara urban social structure को analyze करिया गुडे अनेक गुडे मॉडल ecological models सब अच्छे है ना so ecological model spatial natural social and economic. There are spatial model natural model social model economic model all these models usually employs area topology which may shown as maps. This method also employs a different theoretical orientation. प्रत्येक मेथड रो गुडे डिफरेंट सैद्धांतिक ओरिएंटेशन रही है resulting in different explanation of social processes and given the different theory different kind of explanation देता है तो हमें से जो विभिन्न प्रकार थ्योरी सब ह्यूमन इकोलॉजी पर अछि ताको हम गोटे आलोचना करें फर्स्ट होची रावत ह्यूमन इकोलॉजी थ्योरी ऑफ रावती पार्क तो पार्क कहते ह्यूमन इकोलॉजी पर स्टडी करिया पई बेसिकली पार्क मैगनी ए माने सब बर्गेस ए माने सब गले तेनो विथ लुइस विथ तो हमें रॉबर्ट पार्क वो एप्रोप्रिएटेड द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ नेचुरल साइंस फॉर द एनालिसिस ऑफ अर्बन स्पेस तेनो अर्बन स्पेस को अध्ययन करिया पई से माने ये जो नेचुरल साइंस का इकोलॉजी रा व्यवहार करते तेनो तंका पार्क का मतलब ecology होची that place of biology ecology होची that place of biology ecology considers plants and animals as they exist in the nature and studies their interdependence and relation of kind of individual and to the environment park मतलब ecology होची consider करे plant animals as they exist in nature प्रकृति रे plant और animal जेंते exist करछन्ती ता सहित डील करे विचार करे and studies their interdependence एवं plant animal environment anchor interdependence अंतर निर्भरशीलता को अध्ययन करे एवं रिलेशन टू ईच इंडिविजुअल टू ईच एनवायरनमेंट एवं प्रत्येक व्यक्तिर परिवेश सहित की संपर्क रही ताकि मध्य आलोचना करे सो पार्क ऑब्जर्व दैट a correspondence between plant communities in the natural environment and emergence of a natural area within the cities where similar societal constitutes the urban environment तो अर्बन बा शहर परिवेश को ए जो विभिन्न प्लांट कम्युनिटीज नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट ए सब को अध्ययन माध्यम रे अध्ययन करा जाई पारे तो अर्बन एनवायरनमेंट कैन बी ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू ए मोजाइक of social world where each section is structural and cultural distinct from the each other एवं ए सब गुडा जो गोटे अर्बन एनवायरनमेंट को हमें ब्रोकन करी अनेक मोजाइक छोट छोट मोजाइक सोशल वर्ल्ड रे परिणत करि परिबा एवं पुणी मध्य सेम टाइम दे आर टाइम ऑफ इंटरनेट ऑन इच अदर एवं सेही प्रत्येक मोजाइक गुडाक परस्पर ऊपर मध्य निर्भरशील तेणु पार्क्स थ्योरी ऑफ ह्यूमन इकोलॉजी टर्न फ्रॉम Durkheim and Durkheim division of labor and Darwin's theory of evolution. Charles Darwin theory of evolution. So the Parnkara you theory, Parnkara human ecology theory ता मुख्यतः Durkheim का division of labor एवं Darwin का evolution सिद्धांत ता विवर्तन मतवाद उपरे पर्याप्त. So Durkheim's argument that the aggregation of a large number of people is concentrated settlements required a complex division of labor, and his observation that societies required a complex division of labor and a reintegration of specialized urbanites into a complementary form. Urbanite मानकर integration आवश्यक उपरे division of labor जोर देते के Durkheim. So Darwin's understanding of how competition produced pattern of dominance and subordination among the elements of society also contributed to the development of theory of human ecology. You know, competition and cooperation. Competition produced a pattern of dominance. जेहेतु चार्ल्स डार्विन तांकर competition survival of the fittest एसो विषय कहते तेणु से कहते प्रतियोगिता प्रोड्यूस करिबा गोटे पैटर्न ऑफ डोमिनेंस गोटे डोमिनेंस बा प्रभाव गोटे पैटर्न बा पद्धति गोटे प्रोड्यूस करे एवं सेटा एंड सबऑर्डिनेशन गोटे डोमिनेंस प्रोसेस करे सबऑर्डिनेशन मध्ये करे एवं सोसाइटी रो विभिन्न एलिमेंट मान भितर जोटा कि ह्यूमन इकोलॉजी रो थ्योरी को विकास करबारे सहायता करे. से बड़ी Durkheim का theory division level भितरे पार्क आर्ग्यू कले the increase in population size within a given area together with an extension of transport and communication network result in greater specialization of functions. Specialization का केमती हबो से कहतंती जे जदी जेम Durkheim को division of labor माध्यम रे ऑटोमेटिक स्पेशलाइजेशन आइ जीवो सेमते कहतंती पॉपुलेशन साइज तो इंक्रीज करबो सेटा मध्ये एक्सटेंशन ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट कम्युनिकेशन हबो सेटा मध्ये स्पेशलाइजेशन सृष्टि करबो इन the competition between individual park matare gives rise to relations of competitive cooperation. Park कहतंती जे व्यक्ति मानक भितर जो कंपटीशन बा प्रतियोगिता हबो ताहा गोटे लोक मानक भितर कोन करबो ना गोटे कॉम्पिटिटिव कोऑपरेशन प्रतियोगिता पूर्ण सहयोग प्रत्येक हमर परस्पर प्रतियोगी एवं प्रतियोगी होई परस्पर आमे आगु को जीवा पई हमको परस्पर सहित कोऑपरेशन करिया पड़ो सहित सहयोग करिया पड़ो ना तेणु से कॉम्पिटिटिव कोऑपरेशन कथा से कहते एवं ये जो कॉम्पिटिटिव कोऑपरेशन आसले कम्युनल इक्विलिब्रियम हबो कम्युनल इक्विलिब्रियम आसे कम्युनल इक्विलिब्रियम आसे पई ये जो कॉम्पिटिटिव कोऑपरेशन इज एसेंशियल बोली से मत देन तबरे अर्बनिज्म एज ए वे ऑफ लाइफ देन लुइस रिच एटा गला ह्यूमन इकोलॉजी थ्योरी ऑफ रॉबर्ट पार्क तापर हम देखिबा द लुइस रिच का थ्योरी urbanism theory the urbanism as a way of life. Robert Weir consider urbanism as a way of life. urbanism को से एक way of life का जीवन शैली का ढांचा भावे विचार करते हैं कि हमरा Robert Weir तांका theory his theory is known as Rich theory urbanism as a way of life. The urbanism theory of Rich, the urbanism as a way of life. So sociologists working in the first of the 20th century theories of city like emphasize the alienating aspect of urban environment. Urban environment is the alienating aspect. Operation is good for correct. The alienating aspect of the environment, or to put it otherwise, the opposition between community and the city life. So there is always a contradiction, opposition. City life गोटे प्रकार हबो community life गोटे प्रकार एवं city life गोटे so there is the opposition between community life and city life ए जो द्वंद्व हला ता भीतर गोटे alienation होती that creates some kind of alienation that create a kinds of alienation एवं से alienation that alienation marks a kind of detachment among the urban people. It has to lay stress on the social aspect of urbanism. तेणु रिच होउछंती जो अर्बानिज्म हम जो कहते शहरी बादर सोशल एस्पेक्ट ऊपर गुरुत्व देने के Robert is the first to give praise on the social aspect of urbanism. Social aspect of urbanism, ये urbanism जब वो होती शहर होता है तो यार वो social aspect है. And she discovered the form of social action and organization that typically emerge related to permanent contact settlement of large number of heterogeneous individuals. तेणु जो social form और जो social actions जो सृष्टि हुए शहर में करे बेटा गोटे होती सोशल एस्पेक्ट ऑफ और अर्बानिज्म बोली से कहउछन तांका थ्योरी अनुसार तांका अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस रिच थ्योरी ऑफ अर्बानिज्म बिलीव दैट द लार्जर द डेंसर एंड द मोर हेटेरोजेनस द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ एन एरिया द मोर अर्बानाइज्ड विल द लाइफस्टाइल ऑफ पीपल जेतेबेले गोटे शहर अधिक घनत्व विशिष्ट हबो बा जेते डेंसिटी अधिक हबो एवं हेटेरोजेनस पॉपुलेशन हबो एवं गोटे शहर रे पॉपुलेशन के विभिन्न प्रकार सब धर्मर सब रंगर सब प्रजातिर लोक मैंने एकाठी बास करते से सहरटा अधिक अर्बानाइज जमी आम कहे सब आम भल इंग्लैंड वाशिंगटन डीसी पेरिस ये सब अधिक अर्बानाइज बोले कहीं कहे मैंने से वर्ल्ड ओवर ये कस्मोपोलिटान सिटी बोले तेणु से अधिक अर्बानाइज है जोटा रिच कहते जिते गोटे सहर में अधिक हेटेरोजेनस गोटे शहर में मल्टीपल हेटेरोजेनस पॉपुलेशन पीपल ऑफ ऑल मल्टीकल्चरलिज्म आसी गोटे शहर से शहरटा अधिक अर्बानाइज हो गला बोली अर्बानाइज हो लाइफस्टाइल मध्य से लोकंर अधिक अर्बानाइज हम तेणु द प्रिंसिपल एलिमेंट ऑफ अर्बानाइजेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू फरीद आर द पॉपुलेशन साइज पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी एंड पॉपुलेशन हेटेरोजेनिटी साइज बड़ हम पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी अधिक हम एवं हेटेरोजेनिटी मध्य अधिक it is the principal element of urbanism. And that leads to a new style of life and more urbanized style of life. And Louis Smith analyzes that city as a permanent settlement of human population of high density with a sufficient high degree of heterogeneity result in the emergence of new culture. एगुड़ा खाला तरे कोन हबो रिच कहउछथि गुडे नुवा प्रकार अर्बन कल्चर सृष्टि एवं जोटा की कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय ट्रांजिशन फ्रॉम प्राइमरी टू सेकेंडरी रिलेशन ये जो नुआ कल्चर देखा जीवो सेठी हेटेरोजेनस हे जीवो सेते प्राइमरी कल्चर रु अने सेकेंडरी कल्चर आडको कल्चर सब देखा जाबो दैट प्राइमरी टू सेकेंडरी कल्चर विल बी शोन सो दिस इज जो प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी कल्चर देखा जीवो रिलेशंस सेगमेंटेशन एनोनिमिटी आइसोलेशन इंस्ट्रूमेंटल रिलेशन पहले द रिलेशन ऑफ ओनली मोटिव भित्तिक रिलेशन ए सब देखा दब absence of direct social control diversity transiency of social commitment रहबनी lessening of family ties परिवार बंधन reducing हो जिवो individualistic competition बा व्यक्तिवाद विकास घटिवो ए जो social cultural context which is the ultimate explanation of the new form of human behavior ए प्रकार नूतन प्रकार ह्यूमन बिहेवियर देखा दब in that form a form में नूतन प्रकार then his idea that the social organization of a large human settlement or urban area makes a lifestyle based on primary relationship very difficult एई भली सेतले शहरटा एई भली जो सेतले गोटे प्राइमरी रिलेशनशिप की प्रतिष्ठा करबा कष्टकर हे पड़ो establish the primary relationship will be difficult कष्टकर हे पड़ो प्राइमरी रिलेशनशिप करिबो typically urbanites meet one another in highly segmented roles urbanites में मीटिंग हुए परस्पर से गोटे आंतरिकता न था हाईली सेगमेंटेड रोल ले परस्पर से they encounter tend frequently to be limited to situations तांकर रिलेशनशिप गोटे सही सिचुएशन सहित सीमित रह जाए ता परवर्ती को जाए नहीं which involves a specialized limited aspect of person's total spectrum of roles तेणु सामुदायिक भूमिका संपादन कर सेगमेंटेड रोल प्ले करती ए रोल फ्रैगमेंटेशन लिमिटेड इंटीग्रेशन एवं डिफरेंट रोल्स कॉजेस ए काइंड ऑफ एलिएनेशन एटा हबो कोन लोकंग भीतर गोटे एलिएनेशन सृष्टि करबो गोटे विच्युति भाव सृष्टि करबो ता निजिकु ततरु अलगा करिवार गोटे भाव सृष्टि करबो then the population density of the crowded physical space of the urban areas also affect both the frequency and quality of human interaction. Rich कहउछन्ती आ मध्ये से कहउछन्ती अर्बानिज्म वे ऑफ लाइफ केमति हबो ना जेतला पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी अधिक आइजिबो आ द क्राउडेड फिजिकल स्पेस ना जळे गुटे जनगहळीपूर्ण अंचल सबळे रहिबो से अर्बन एरिया रे एटा कोन करबो फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड क्वालिटी ऑफ ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन को क्वालिटी एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी सामाजिक ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन मानवीय अंतःक्रियार क्वालिटी गुण को प्रभावित करिवो मानवीय जो इंटरेक्शन हबो कि तार गुणात्मक रहबन तादरे फेलो फीलिंग रहबन तादरे आंतरिकता रहबन ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन हबो कि इंटरेक्शन ता आउ ह्यूमनली हबन एटा गोटे आयाराम गयाराम इंटरेक्शन हबो आ कोन हबो ना दैट विल अफेक्ट द फ्रीक्वेंसी इंटरेक्शन फ्रीक्वेंसी ता मध्ये कम बारंबारता मध्ये कम इट विल बी वेरी अफिशियल और लिमिटेड हिसाब रे So, it actually means the social density and density of social interaction. This data affected our data. The diverse nature of cities in terms of ethnicity, culture, social structure, and general lifestyle gives to a heterogeneous nature. This is the multiplicity, diverse nature, ethnicity, diverse culture, diverse religion, diverse language. This is a heterogeneous सहर प्रकृति को गिव्स ए हेटेरोजेनस नेचर एटा तार गोटे हेटेरोजेनस नेचर प्रोड्यूस करिवो काकू सहर को दबो तेनो एज ए रिजल्ट द अर्बन एरिया बिकम ए हेटेरोजेनस इन नेचर एटा कहउछन्ती के लुइस विथ तेनो अर्बनिज्म दो इट इज बिकम ए कंपल्शन ऑन आवर वे ऑफ लाइफ बट स्टिल इट आल्सो बिकम ए हेटेरोजेनस एंड alienated kind of relationship will develop among the organized. Then the ecological process of maxion. So after the Vartaman Louis Reed theory of organism as a way of life, एवं हमर अंतर पढ़िले तार रीत कर एवं तापरे हमें पढ़िले कर जो हमर पार्क कर आरी पार्क कर theory तपर वर्तमान हम पढ़िया मैगजोनिक मैकेंजी तांकर इकोलॉजिकल प्रोसेसेस तांकर मैक्रोलॉजी मध्ये से गोटे थ्योरी दले इकोलॉजिकल थ्योरी व्हिच इज नोन एज द थ्योरी ऑफ कम्युनिटी चेंज थ्योरी ऑफ इकोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस द थ्योरी ऑफ कम्युनिटी चेंज so the theory of community change was most explicitly set out by Parks College at the University of Chicago. मैगजोनी थिले फार्म कर जने कलीग शिकागो रे he focused on the dynamic nature of urban area and developed a sociological theory of changing land use. So what a sociological theory of changing land use and he developed a typology of various ecological processes instead of focusing on configuration and shape of the earth. It defined ecology as a study of spatial and temporal relation of human beings. So what a spatial or temporal relations को study करे बोली that affect the selective and distributive accommodative forces of the environment. So, to ecology, society is made up of an individual spatially separated. The ecologist माने कहउछन society कागु नै गठित सही व्यक्ति मान जो माने spatially separated, territorially disturbed and capable of independent locomotion. ये बड़ी गोटे नहीं की सोसाइटी करता है. Mackenzie argues that these special relationship of human beings are the product of competition and selection and are continuously in the process of changing new factors. It is a competition और selection basis रे जब एवं सेतरे continuous change मार्क होतिबो right है. Then he identified 7 ecological processes. Okay, Mackenzie have identified 7 ecological processes which incorporate notions of population shift and changes in the dominant land pattern. जोटा करे से केते गुडे इकोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस जोटा कि हमर अर्बन लाइफ को गवर्न करे से सातटा इकोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस कथा कहले सेगुडा कोची कोन ना कंसंट्रेशन डीकंसंट्रेशन सेंट्रलाइजेशन डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन एग्रीगेशन इन्वेशन एंड सक्सेशन सेग्रीगेशन सेंट्रलाइजेशन एगुडा विषय सब हम आगु पढिचे कंसंट्रेशन ए विषय हम पढिचे तो सेही सेवरल सातटा इकोलॉजिकल प्रोसेसेस कथा कहउछंदी से कहउछंदी जे इन अर्बन सोशल लाइफ गोटे अर्बन सहर रे बा अर्बन सेंटर रे ए सात प्रकार सोशियोलॉजिकल इकोलॉजिकल प्रोसेसेस आर वर्क करे कार्य करे. So it distinguishes on that basis of that these ecological processes. McKinsey distinguishes four types of communities based on their functions. प्रकार ऊपर बेस करी से कम्युनिटी को डिस्टिंग्विश कले फोर टाइप ऑफ कम्युनिटीज को डिस्क्राइब कले. गोटे प्राइमरी सर्विस कम्युनिटी, तापर कमर्शियल सर्विस कम्युनिटी और इंडस्ट्रियल टाउन और कम्युनिटी विद स्पेसिफिक इकोनॉमिक बेस. कथा कहले कि चारि प्रकार कम्युनिटी भीतर देखा गले से थ्योरी रे कहउछंती जे चारि प्रकार कम्युनिटी देखा जाउची. गोटे प्रथम होची प्राइमरी सर्विस कम्युनिटी. गोटे कम्युनिटी रो साइज टा ह्यूमन कम्युनिटी रो साइज केमिति लिमिटेड सीमित हुए ना. इट कैन प्रोड्यूस एंड बाय द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ इट्स मोड ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. कम्युनिटी बाय व्हाट इट कैन प्रोड्यूस कोन एटा उत्पादन कर परिबो एवं बाय द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ इट्स मोड ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ए बेसिस रे द साइज ऑफ ए ह्यूमन कम्युनिटी लिमिटेड है. इट मींस द प्राइमरी सर्विस कम्युनिटी जोड़ा कि बेस्ड ऑन एग्रीकल्चर cannot grow beyond a population around. गोटे प्राइमरी कम्युनिटी सर्विस एरा गोटे निर्दिष्ट सीमित आकार अछि ता बियॉन्ड से बढ़ी पाइ पारे. जदि बढ़ला से डिवाइड होई आ गोटे प्राइमरी कम्युनिटी एइ. तेनु according to him that particular type of community tended to increase in size until it reached climax. ये पर्यंत यार क्लाइमैक्स को पहुंचनी से पर्यंत सेटा बॉडी गुडी के चलतिबो एवं चेंज होई के चलतिबो. जोडी क्लाइमैक्स रे पहुंची जिवो the size of population was not perfectly adjusted to the capacity of the economic base supported. That is, say size of population the economic base with the capacity to support no कर परिबो, then the community will remain the stage of equilibrium. For equilibrium stage रे then another theory was given by the Duncan, ecological theory of Duncan. Duncan, another sociologist, Duncan and Hurley. Duncan integrates ecological models and structures of functionalism of target person in developing his theory of ecological complex. Duncan का theory टाकू हमें कौन को ना theory of ecological complex. Ecological complex बोले हमें कहो कहेंगे ना. Duncan developed the notion of ecological complex, which is also a theory of regulation and change of community at a social system. Whereas community का change हो कहीं चेंज होती ना बिकॉज जेतबे कॉम्प्लेक्स हे जाउची सेठी सेतबे चेंज होती. तेनो डनकन से गोटे तांकर थ्योरी इज नोन एज थ्योरी ऑफ द नोशन ऑफ इकोलॉजिकल कॉम्प्लेक्स. The system of interaction of the components of elements of ecological complex, environment, population, technology and social organization. ए चारोटी एलिमेंट्स को कहले ए चारोटी भितरे जेतबे रिलेशनशिप का इंटरेक्शन ता अधिक कॉम्प्लेक्स हिजो सेतबे सोसाइटी में अर्बन सोसाइटी कॉम्प्लेक्स है. तेनु से तांकर फोकस देले मोस्टली ऑन फंक्शनल डिफरेंशिएशन ऊपर फंक्शनल डिफरेंशिएशन एंड adaptation of human population. Functional differentiation एवं adaptation of human population. मानवीय जनसंख्यार आदाप खाप खाइबा एवं differentiation functional एवं प्रकार जो परस्पर अलग आइबा एई भित्ति ऊपर तांकर चिंता पर्यवेक्षण करा करते हैं. तेनु डनकन करा जो थ्योरी ऑफ इकोलॉजिकल कॉम्प्लेक्सेस सेटा ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर टू द टैलकट पार्सन थ्योरी ऑफ फंक्शनलिज्म. तेनु से कहते हैं फंक्शनल नीड्स बेसिस रे इन सोसाइटी इकोलॉजिकल कॉम्प्लेक्स. Then another concept that is the approach that is developed by urban sociologists is known as design approach. इनको design approach बोली कहते हैं. So design approach is closely related to architecture of a city. गोटे सिटी सहरटा को हमें गोटे आर्किटेक्चरल डिजाइन भीतर देख परिया. प्रति every structure, every city has its own architectural design. तुम देखिबो that प्राय गोटे गोटे सिटी रे गोटे निर्दिष्ट प्रकार आर्चि गोटे सिटी आर्किटेक्चरल डिजाइन follows a particular pattern or निर्दिष्ट प्रकार आर्किटेक्चरल डिजाइन होउथिबो सेटा डील्स विथ द प्लान ऑफ ए सिटी एंड इट्स वेरियस कंपोनेंट्स एटा केमती कहा पर डील करबे जो आर्किटेक्चरल डिजाइन जे ने प्रत्येक सिटी जेमती हम कहबा भुवनेश्वर हैव ए वन डिजाइन तुम देखिबो जो सब विभिन्न सिटी सब भुवनेश्वर ए विभिन्न लाइन गली देखि से नगर ए जेमती सेटा गोटे प्लान हिसाब रे सो प्लान तार वेरियस कंपोनेंट्स ए सब को तार आर्किटेक्चरल डिजाइन बोली हुआ जाय so it traces the aesthetic principles that guided the layout of the street pattern केमती हबो केमती हाउसिंग पैटर्न केमती हबो कोटी हाउस लेबो तार रोड डिजाइन केमती ए सब को हमें डिजाइन अप्रोच बोली कह जाय शहर डिजाइन अप्रोच बोली कह जाय then all these ecological theories has been criticized from different angles अनेक दृष्टिରୁ ए सब ई थ्योरी गुडा सब समालोचित होईछि ये थ्योरी the size density and heterogeneity also became a point of criticism जो ये इकोलॉजिकल थ्योरी ता बेसी गुरुत्व देछि का परे साइज डेंसिटी एंड हेटेरोजेनिटी अनेक ताकू मध्ये क्रिटिसाइज करछन्ती डिफरेंट एंगल जे केवल साइज डेंसिटी आ ये को कोई नै करी हम गोटे शहर को बुझ परिबा सहज नै देन इकोनॉमिक कंपटीशन आउ के देखो इकोनॉमिक कंपटीशन पर गुरुत्व देछन्ती इकोनॉमिक इज द बेसिस ऑफ जनरल ग्रोथ केते का इकोलॉजिकल थ्योरी कहउछन्ती जे इकोनॉमिक कंपटीशन भितरे गोटे सिटी रो ग्रोथ होय आउ के देखो ताको क्रिटिसाइज करछन्ती दैट दिस द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फंक्शनल डिफरेंशिएशन सोसाइटी का फंक्शनल डिफरेंशिएशन देखला ताले इकोनॉमिक डिफरेंस ऑर्डरिंग ऑफ अर्बन स्पेस का जो इकोनॉमिक डिफरेंशिएशन डिफरेंट हबो ताले केमती सेटा इकोनॉमिक कंपटीशन में ग्रो करबो केमती डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ क्रिटिसिज्म आर देयर लेवल then another is that so these are the different kinds of criticism that was leveled against the different ecological theories. Political economy of urbanism. Urbanism is a political economy. What is the political economy of urbanism? So the urban analysis of Rex and Murray developed a new sociological approach to the analysis of the city. Urban जो political economy को बुझिया पाई the urban analysis of Rex and Murray developed a new sociological approach to the analysis of the city. They studied the housing and the race relation of the inner city area of a British city. The British शहर गोटे housing और race relation को अध्ययन कले. In this, they developed a theoretical framework which represented a fusion between Burgess theoretical framework, Burgess work on zone transition, and Weber's sociological emphasis on meaningful action of individuals. ये दुटा भितरे से गोटे theory देले एवं this approach enabled urban sociology to retain a distinctive concern with the spatial dimension of social relation. करवारे को साध्य करा. तेनु political economy of पहले that now Rex and Murray moving to suburbs is an aspiration that is general among all group of residents. Although that is जैसे कहते हैं कि Rex मतलब political economy कहते हैं political economy of Rex कहते हैं कि moving to suburbs माने city रा suburb शहर तली अंचल को पड़ेगा aspiration that is general among all group of residents. सब ग्रुप ऑफ रेसिडेंट्स रा ट्रेंड होची कि जेतबे सिटी टा कॉम्प्लेक्स हे जीवो एवं जाम हे जीवो तो सबर्ब एरिया को चली जीवा बा सिटी रा फ्री एरिया को चली जीवा एटा जनरल ट्रेंड. तेनु ए डिजायर्ड रिसोर्स ऑफ अर्बन हाउसिंग is scarce access to it distributed among the population. Therefore, the allocation of suburban houses to different sections of population became crucial to understand the distribution of changes in the city. Cancer distribution. तेनु से जो शहर रे जो बंटन हमें अर्बन सबर्ब अंचल को शिफ्ट करबार गोटे टेंडेंसी सबले रहउछि दैट इज अर्बानिज्म रो वे ऑफ लाइफ दैट इज ए पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमी ऑफ अर्बानिज्म. अर्बानिज्म रो पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमी जो लोक माने फॉर इकोनॉमिक रीजन रो माने सबर्ब को जानिबे. ତେଣୁ ଏ ଯୋଉ ଚିକାଗୋ ସ୍କୁଲ ତାଙ୍କର ଷ୍ଟଡିଜ ରେ ସେ ମଧ୍ୟ spread other continent also towards the end of 1960 1960 a new paradigm of urban analysis emerged where emerging body of theory is based on assumption that conflict not equilibrium as responded by the ecologists is the center of social order conflict not equilibrium सेटा ही कहते जे ए जो देला जे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होची इक्विलिब्रियम नुहे शहर भीतर इक्विलिब्रियम न बर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होची इज द सेंटर ऑफ सोशल ऑर्डर प्रत्येक शहर सोशल ऑर्डर रा सेंटर केंद्र बोली कहते द न्यू अप्रोच फोकस्ड ऑन द रोल ऑफ कैपिटलिज्म जो पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमी ऑफ अर्बनिज्म एटा फोकस करे का ऊपर रोल ऑफ कैपिटलिज्म पूंजीवादर भूमिका ऊपर एंड द इंटरनेशनल इकोनॉमिक ऑर्डर the accumulation concentration of wealth and power kept wealth power accumulate kara jibo the relation of social class on with con relation hobo and the role of state in administrating a stable social order एवं ଗୋଟେ stable social order शहर रे प्रतिष्ठा करला जे ओडिया social order सामाजिक क्रमटा केमते डिस्टर्ब न होबो बिन स्टेबल कंटिन्यू या ऊपर मध्य से माने गुरुत्व देले एवं gives stress ultimately hospitable to economic interest एवं economic interest ऊपर existed the urban social structure tend to be analyzed in the backdrop of Marxian theory of historical materialism Marxian theory of historical materialism तेणु ए जो political economy urbanism कहूची जे the urban social structure बुझिया पई हेले आमे तार पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमी को बुझिया को पड़बो एवं से जो अर्बन स्ट्रक्चर टू एनालाइज इन द बैकड्रॉप मार्क्सियन थ्योरी ऑफ हिस्टोरिकल मैटेरियलिज्म आमे ताको बुझिया पहले मार्क्स कार्ल मार्क्स पर जो थ्योरी ऑफ मैटेरियलिज्म अछि से हिस्टोरिकल मैटेरियलिज्म भितरे आमे ताको एनालाइज करबा kana cities का हम जानि छे the city always symbolize the inequality of wealth and power generated by the profit system and the spatial expression of an area तेणु city टा सब बळे ता द्वारा कैरेक्टराइज्ड हुए symbolize inequality of wealth पूंजी बा धनर असमानता सब रहता है तेणु how to make it control तेणु यदि city का सौंदर्यता को हम रक्षा करबो हमको ताको एक स्टेबल ऑर्डर मेंटेन करबो पड़ो how this can be maintained at least in the समान it is not equalized even ताको मेंटेन करबो पड़ो to symbolize the inequalities it symbolizes the inequalities of wealth how ये वो असमानता रही ताको देखिकरी हमें सिटी को बुझाबो पड़ो तो सेति पई से जो जनरेट कले the profit system urban area in terms of capital accumulation and class conflict capital accumulation of class conflict political economy of urbanism ये approach को political economy of urbanism बोली कहले political economy of urbanism means it is an approach to understand the city life को बा urban city structure को urban social structure बुझिया पई हेले ता भीतर सेठी सबले urban symbolize the inequalities of wealth and power generated by the profit system तेनु सेटा को हे अप्रोच को हमें political economy of urbanism बोली कहू and political economy guides researchers to know about the ways in which policy has articulated with economic forces to produce particular kind of urban environment तेनु जेतबेला हमें ए पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमी अप्रोच टू गाइड करू एटा हम गाइड करे कोन जे कोन सी अर्बन सोसाइटी ऊपर जे रिसर्च करूचंती तांको अबाउट हाउ केमिति आर्टिकुलेट करा जे परिवा इकोनॉमिक फोर्सेस टू प्रोड्यूस पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ अर्बन एनवायरनमेंट विथ द पर्टिकुलर कॉस्ट एंड बेनिफिट फॉर डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स ऑफ अर्बन पॉपुलेशन तो एटा गुडे एक्सटेंशन ऑफ ब्रॉडर सोशियोलॉजिकल थ्योरी the analysis of urban space political economy paradigm developed in an alternative to urban ecology and became an influential approach in 1970 तो जेतले इकोलॉजिकल अप्रोच कोटा होतला बुझिया पई ए शहर को बुझिया पई हम इकोलॉजिकल अप्रोच माध्यम रे बुझी परिबा ता बदल रे आ गुटे नुवा अप्रोच आसला सेटा कहला पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमी अप्रोच तो सहर जो सहरटा बेसिकली जो इकोनॉमिक इनइक्वालिटी होची ताको से अप्रोच ताको आमे केमती से जो सिस्टम को मैनेज करला एवं अर्बन एनवायरनमेंट को गोटे उत्तम अर्बन एनवायरनमेंट सृष्टि कर पाइबा इकोनॉमिक फोर्सेस टू प्रोड्यूस ए पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट तो इकोनॉमिक फोर्स यूज करी गोटे पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ अर्बन एनवायरनमेंट सृष्टि करता सेटा होची द पॉलिटिकल इकोनॉमिक एस्पेक्ट ऑफ अर्बनिज्म तापर पोस्ट मॉडर्न अर्बानिज्म पोस्ट मॉडर्न अर्बानिज्म होची गोटे concept that was developed by Deere and Frosti, who propounded the concept of post modern urbanism by synthesizing different recent studies on the contemporary form of southern Californian urbanism. कैलिफोर्निया अर्बानिज्म उपरे दक्षिण कैलिफोर्निया रो सहरवाद उपरे भित्ति करी से गोटे कॉन्सेप्ट पोस्ट मॉडर्न अर्बानिज्म बा उत्तर आधुनिक शहरीवाद जेति वर्तमान आमे कहूचे पोस्ट मॉडर्न सिटी मॉडर्नाइजेशन गोटे समय थिला आमे कहउतले जे मॉडर्न एंशिएंट मॉडर्न हम सब मॉडर्न कहउतले मॉडर्नाइजेशन कथा कहउतले किंतु वर्तमान पोस्ट मॉडर्न कथा जते आसी गला तेनु सेही पोस्ट मॉडर्न अर्बानिज्म कॉन्सेप्ट से गोटे देले जे पोस्ट मॉडर्न अर्बानिज्म उत्तर आधुनिकतार जो शहरीवाद पोस्ट मॉडर्निज्म आसला परे से पोस्ट मॉडर्न अर्बानिज्म का कांसेप्ट से कहले के डियर एंड फ्रस्टी एवं their key argument is that most 20th century urban analysis have been predicted on the Chicago School of Model Concentric Rings. जते एनालिसिस है urban सेटा सब चिकागो स्कूल बेसिस रे आने तेनु they aim to develop a new concept under the banner of Los Angeles School of Risk Keno Capitalism. तेनु से गोटे नुआ मॉडल दवा को चाहिए जे चिकागो स्कूल मॉडल को छाड़ी आ गोटे नुआ मॉडल भितरे डेवलप कले जोटा को से कहते लॉस एंजेल्स स्कूल ऑफ सेंटरलेस कैपिटलिज्म लॉस एंजेल्स स्कूल ऑफ सेंटरलेस कैपिटलिज्म सेटा ही होची पोस्ट मॉडर्न कैपिटलिज्म पोस्ट मॉडर्न अर्बानिज्म बोले हमें कहते एंड द पोस्ट मॉडर्न आइडिया ऑफ द सिटी इमर्ज एज ए रिएक्शन अगेंस्ट द मॉडर्निज्म परे मॉडर्निज्म रो आधुनिकतावाद जो आसला तार रिएक्शन तार प्रतिक्रिया स्वरूप पोस्ट मॉडर्न एवं माइकल डियर ए पोस्ट मॉडर्न सिटीज आर कंपोज्ड ऑफ पोस्ट मॉडर्न सिटी हमें कहते मॉडर्न सिटी तापरे आसीगला कांसेप्ट ऑफ पोस्ट मॉडर्न सिटी उत्तर आधुनिक शहर सब एटा उत्तर आधुनिक शहर हमें काउ कहबा ना जोडी जहार मल्टीपल डिफरेंटली इंटरकनेक्टेड साइट्स अरेंज्ड इन ए डिसेंट्रेटेड नॉन हायरार्किकल फैशन है ना मल्टीपल डिफरेंटली इंटरकनेक्टेड साइट्स बहु परिमाण रे मल्टीपल इंटरकनेक्टेड साइट्स थिबो arranged in a decentered and arrange हेतिबो नॉन हायरार्किकल फैशन पुरा हायरार्किकली नहीं नॉन हायरार्किकल फैशन हेतिबो हां एति आउ कोन करथु मोर पोस्ट में द पेरिफेरी ऑर्गेनाइजेस द सेंटर एति सेंटर को की ऑर्गेनाइज करतो ना पेरिफेरी टा ऑर्गेनाइज करतो सेंटर local material and the informational flow enter into interaction with the global flow to constitute an urban economy that is globally integrated and dominated by the imperatives of flexibility. Globally integrated हेतिबो एवं flexibility is dominant हेतिबो तेनु ताकू द को जाउतला पोस्ट मॉडर्निज्म लोकल मटेरियल एंड इंफॉर्मेशनल फ्लो होतिबो लोकल मटेरियल लो फ्लो होके बाहर को एवं इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ लोकल इंफॉर्मेशन मतलब फ्लो होतिबो सेटा को पोस्ट मॉडर्निज्म कहजो. Then the condition of postmodernity by David Harvey defines the postmodern city with the rise of a historical eclecticism. So the historical eclecticism as inventing tradition by imitating the other forms. I mean tradition गुड़ा को invent करवा रपंचु multiculturalism, spectacle, a theater of sense, commercialization of built environment. एवं ए गुडा को सब थिले हमें ताको पोस्ट मॉडर्न अर्बानिज्म बोली कहबा ए जो मॉडर्निज्म रो जो पोस्ट मॉडर्निज्म कोची इट रेफर्स टू चेंज ऑफ इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम एंड कल्चरल कोर्स के कोजंदी जो चेंज होची मॉडर्निज्म टू पोस्ट मॉडर्निज्म सेटा गोटे चेंज होची बोथ इकोनॉमिक चेंज एंड गोटे होची कल्चरल कोड इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम रे चेंज हबो एवं कल्चरल सिस्टम रे चेंज जत हबो सेटा पोस्ट मॉडर्निज्म रु पोस्ट मॉडर्निज्म ट्रांसफर जेतेबेले आमे कहउतिले आमे कैपिटलिस्ट थिलु कैपिटलिज्म को फॉलो करतलु सेतेबेले आमे मॉडर्न थिलु जेतेबेले बर्तन एलपीजी आसी गला लिबरलाइजेशन प्राइवेटाइजेशन ग्लोबलाइजेशन सब आसी गला आमे इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम रे चेंज हला ता फलरे आमे मॉडर्निज्म रु पोस्ट मॉडर्निज्म बेलकु आसिले एवं आ कोन हबो ना कल्चरल कोड हमर कल्चरल कोड रे मध्ये चेंज आमे कल्चर ऊपर इंडिविजुअल कल्चर ऊपर बर्तन आमे वी आर लीडिंग टुवर्ड्स मल्टीकल्चरलिज्म आडकू जाउछे वी आर मल्टीकल्चर बाय आवर ड्रेस बाय आवर लैंग्वेज बाय आवर आमे सब कल्चर लैंग्वेज को आमे यूज करछे बर्तमान सब कल्चर सब लोक मानकर ड्रेस को आमे मिक्स अप करछे समस्तंगर खाद्य आमे वी हैव चाइनीज डिशेस वी हैव जापानीज डिशेस वी हैव कोरियन डिशेस वी हैव अमेरिकन डिशेस आमे सब खाउछे सो सी जो मल्टीकल्चरलिज्म आसीगला कल्चरल कोड रे चेंज आसीगला इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम कल्चरल कोड रे मॉडर्निज्म को पोस्ट मॉडर्निज्म को शिफ्ट এবং এটা এই সিটি গুড়া কোন পোস্ট মডার্ন সিটি গুড়া পুরা सेल्फ कंटेन रीडिस्कवरी ऑफ द लोकल एवं डिसकंटिन्यूअस एंड फ्रैगमेंटेड स्पेस एवं ये जो वैल्यूज गुड़ा नुआ वैल्यूज मतलब सृष्टि हम पोस्ट मॉडर्न कम्युनिटी पार्टिसिपेशन मॉडर्न शिफ्ट आम कम्युनिटी ठार निजक आम दूरे रखु कम्युनिटी से बर्तमान पोस्ट मॉडर्निज्म कम्युनिटी आड़ को आम कम्युनिटी पार्टिसिपेशन आम बढ़ुची जमी आम देखुचे बड़ बड़ लोक मैंने जो चाहते बेले बेले पार्टिसिपेटिंग कम डाउन एवं मिक्स विथ द कॉमन पीपल जोटा कम्युनिटी पार्टिसिपेशन बढ़ुची प्लूरालिज्म मिक्स्ड यूज एसोसिएटेड विथ इकोलॉजिकल अप्रोचेस पेडेस्ट्रियन फ्रेंडली डिजाइन ये गुड़ाक सब बाय दी बिकॉज ऑफ दी पोस्ट मॉडर्न अर्बन डिवेलपमेंट देन तापर आसला सस्टेनेबल अर्बन डेवलपमेंट आमे जो सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट कथा कहूँ सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट कहले निरंतर विकास जो सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट एटा गोटे हमर मिलेनियम डेवलपमेंट गोल जो सरकार प्रकल्प करथले सेटा गोटे हमर मिलेनियम डेवलपमेंट गोल रे गोटे गोटे लक्ष्य रही सेटा होची सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट वी आर आगु कहूतले हमें डेवलपमेंट कथा किंतु वर्तमान हमें वी आर स्पीकिंग अबाउट सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट ये जो सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट होची एटा बेसिकली 1990 पर ठारू विकसित होई नेशनली एंड इंटरनेशनली गोटे डेवलप होती है आम कौन करिया वी डेवलपमेंट आम आग डेवलपमेंट देखते डेवलपमेंट माने आम एनवायरनमेंट को खातिर न करी एनवायरनमेंट जाऊ जो आम डेवलप दिस वाज द ट्रेंड किंतु तले सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट आसीगला एटा आउट के रिफाइन हेगला वी विल डेवलप बट कीपिंग एट ट्यून विथ एनवायरनमेंट परिवेश सहित ताल रखी आम जो विकास करू सेटा आम सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट बोली कहबा एवं सेफ एनवायरनमेंट हेल्दी डेवलपमेंट हबो with the healthy and a safe environment is essential for development for continued survival of the population. Sustainability गोटे to keeping a tie with the environment सहित ताल दे विकास को त्वरान्वित करबा कि होची आमे विकास को भी त्वरान्वित करबा आम परिवेश को मध्य ता सहित रक्षा करबा बैलेंस डेवलपमेंट है सेटा को हम सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट बोली कहू डेवलपमेंट हो इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ हम सोशल चेंज हम एनवायरमेंटल कंजर्वेशन हम ये सब एट ए टाइम जदी हम ताको हम सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट बोली कहू तो सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट एज अ डेवलपमेंट दैट मीट द नीड ऑफ द प्रेजेंट जनरेशन विदाउट कंप्रोमाइज द नीड्स ऑफ द फ्यूचर जनरेशन हम वर्तमान जनरेशन नीड को मीट करथबो किंतु फ्यूचर जनरेशन नीड को आवश्यकता को अफेक्ट करू नथिबो एई भली विकास जोटा हबो सेटा को हमें सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट बोली कहू So sustainable development initially associated with the sustainable environmental development. आगे तक हम कहते हैं sustainable environmental development. Kind development are always associated with the environment. So that's why it is called as sustainable environmental development. Environment so how we protect our environment, and at the same time we do not compromise our development. Degradation, destruction of the ecosystem, यदि हमें हबो ताले development will be jeopardized. That's why there will be balance. The side effect of the growth of the human economy तार हबो सेटा को हमें करिया पई ए sustainable development कथा कुआ जाय. Then urban sociology in India. India re, you know that urban sociology in India is a very process of urbanization and urbanism in India attracted the attention of scholars on and off since 1950s. 1950 ରୁ ପ୍ରାୟ ଭାରତରେ ସହରୀକରଣ ଉପରେ ବିଶେଷ କରି after independence ଏଟା basically different scholars show the interest in India. So India basically the concept of urbanism, the urban kathata, it begins with India because India is the ancient civilization, and in that Indus Valley civilization also as we could Purva 2600 वर्ष पूर्वे Indus Valley civilization में जो हरप्पा मोहनजोदड़ो परी जो शहर दिटा थिला, that speaks about the trends of urbanism in India, in the ancient trends of there, the ancient cities, ancient urban cities. You know, into urbanization in India is not a modern phenomenon. Amara would traditional process of organization was dated back to these days. You know, the paravarti samare urbanism da asila am deku am India ko বিভিন্ন European ये माध्यमरे तापरे period of silence, then it urbanization industrialization urban सहित आसला तेणु किंतु urban हेले मध्य किंतु ता परवर्ती बहुत दिन समय पर्यंत जदि हमर ancient city उज्जैनी तला 6th century की city तापर उज्जैनी हमर जो शाहजहानाबाद ये सब बहुत दिन धरी कंटिन्यू करतला, but at the same time these cities the scholars of India have no shows special interest on the study of urban centers in India. But our study of urban centers in India only comes during after 1950, after independence. So 50 ପରେ ଭାରତରେ urban center ମାନଙ୍କ ଉପରେ study କରାଯାଇଛି. And social scientists began to show real interest in urban studies after 1951 census report. The 51 census report published ହେଲା ପରେ revealed high growth of urban population in India. It shows the 1951 population census shows that urban population are also growing a higher rate in India, and that led scholars to show interest in the study of Indian cities. Scholars like Max Weber, Toynbee, Milton Singer, Robert Redfield, G.S. Gure, Radhakumar Mukherjee, D.N. Majumdar, a few scholars who showed interest in urban phenomenon in India. Professor Gure, who was a successor of Patrick Geddes in Bombay University, showed keen interest in studying urban situation in India. He worked on the comparative and historical aspect of urbanization and also studied rural-urban relations and concentrated on the ecological, political, and cultural aspect of ancient and modern cities in the context of civilization. So that is reflected in his article, Cities of India. G.S. Gure published a book named Cities in India in 1953. And Max Weber also similarly conducted a study in 1962, a comparative historical account of cities in India. He also made it. So by this, then after that, in 1964, Sosberg, he also studies on Indian cities of pre-industrial and industrial, considering industrial as the key variable. So industrialization तो key variable नहीं, भारत रे जैसे सब शिल्पभित्तिक शहर अच्छी, ताऊ पर सब मध्य अध्ययन करे. So Radhakumar Mukherjee initiated socio-ecological studies of Indian cities. He studies the ecological. He is the first in India. He is the first sociologist, Radhakumar Mukherjee, who initiated his ecological studies of Indian cities. So these are the various studies conducted in India on urban sociology. So any questions, any doubts, learners, please ask.
Students, any questions?
ସାର୍ ମୋର ଗୋଟେ
Nagaraj?
ସାର୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ମୋର ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଥିଲା ଯେ କିନ୍ତୁ ମାନେ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଉପରେ ନୁହେଁ ଯୋଉ ସାର୍ ଆମେ ଡିସେମ୍ବର 2018ରେ ସାର୍ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇୟର ଆଡମିସନ କରିଥିଲୁ ତ ସାର୍ ଆମେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇୟର ଆସାଇନମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇନୁ କି ଏକ୍ଜାମ ବି ଦେଇନୁ ତ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଇୟର ଆମର ଯେତେବେଳେ 2020ର ସାର୍ ସେଇଟା ଆମେ ଆସାଇନମେଣ୍ଟଟା 2018ର ଦେବୁ ନା 2019ର ଦେବୁ ସାର୍?
ନାଇଁ ତମେ ବି 2020ରେ 2000 ମାନେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଇୟର ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ କରିଛ?
ହଁ ସାର୍।
ତମେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ 2020ରେ ଯୋଉ ଆସାଇନମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଭେଲେବଲ ଅଛି ସେଇଟା ଦବ।
ଯୋଉ 2019ର ଯୋଉ ଆସାଇନମେଣ୍ଟଟା 2020ର
ଯୋଉଟା
ଆସାଇନମେଣ୍ଟରେ
19
ଆମେ ଦେବୁ
ଜୁଲାଇ
ସାର୍
20 ଜାନୁଆରୀ ପାଇଁ ଯୋଉଟା ଆଭେଲେବଲ ଅଛି
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇୟର
ସେଇଟା
ସାର୍
ଦବ।
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇୟର ସାର୍।
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇୟରରେ ବି ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଇୟରରେ ବି।
ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ସାର୍ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସାର୍।
ତମେ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଇୟର ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ କେବେ କଲ?
ସାର୍ ଡିସେମ୍ବରରେ ସାର୍ କଲି।
ମାନେ ଏଇ ଡିସେମ୍ବର 2019 ଡିସେମ୍ବରରେ?
2018ରେ ସାର୍ କରିଥିଲି। 18ରୁ
18ରେ
19
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇୟର କରିଥିଲ କହୁଛ ପରା?
ହଁ ହଁ 19ରେ ପୁଣି କରିଦେଇଥିଲି
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଇୟର
ରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ
କେବେ
ସାର୍
କଲ?
2019ରେ ସାର୍।
2019 ଜାନୁଆରୀ ମାନେ 2019 କେବେ?
ଡିସେମ୍ବରରେ ସାର୍।
ଡିସେମ୍ବରରେ କଲ
ହଁ ସାର୍
ରିରେଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ?
ହଁ ସାର୍।
ଓକେ ତ ତମେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇୟର ଦେଇଦିଅ ହେଲା। ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇୟର ତମେ ଦେଇଦିଅ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆସାଇନମେଣ୍ଟ। ଏ ଯୋଉ ଜୁଲାଇ 20 ଆଉ ଜାନୁଆରୀ 20ରେ ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି।
ଦିଟାକ
ତମେ
ଆସାଇନମେଣ୍ଟ
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ
ସାର୍
ଇୟର ତମର
ଦେଇଦେବୁ।
ଆଁ
ହଁ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଇୟର ସାର୍ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଇୟର ତ 2020ରେ ଦେବି ସାର୍ ପୁଣି
ହଁ
2018 ଯୋଉଟା
2020 ସେପ୍ଟେମ୍ବର ଭିତରେ ଦେଇପାରିବ।
ସାର୍ ସେ ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ଇୟର କରେଣ୍ଟ ଇୟରରେ ଦେବି ସାର୍।
ପ୍ରିଭିୟସ୍ ଇୟର ବି କରେଣ୍ଟ ଇୟର ଦବ।
ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସାର୍।
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, learners.
ସାର୍ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଥିଲା ସାର୍।
Thank you.
କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
ସାର୍ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ଏଇଟା ପଢିଆ ହଉଛି ଆଉ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଟାଇମ୍ ସାର୍ ଆମେ କେତେବେଳେ ଏଇଟା ରେକର୍ଡିଂ କରିକି ସାର୍ ଶୁଣିପାରିବୁ ସାର୍?
ରେକର୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲରେ ମୁଁ ଅପଲୋଡ କରୁଛି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ ସାର୍ ମାନେ ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବରେ ସାର୍ କୋଉ ସାଇଟରେ ସାର୍?
ଇଗ୍ନୋ ଆର୍ସି ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର।
ହଁ ସାର୍ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ସାର୍ ସବୁ ଏଜ୍ ବାଲାଟା ସବୁ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ସେଇଟା ନା ଆରଟା ସାର୍?
କଣ କହିଲ?
ସାର୍ ସେ ଆରସି ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ସାର୍ ଦିଟା ସାର୍ ୱେବସାଇଟ୍ ନାହିଁ କି ସାର୍ ଆମର ଗୋଟେ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର
ଇଗ୍ନୋ
SHIR
ଆର୍ସି
ଲାଗୁଛି ସାର୍।
ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ ମାରିଲେ ଆସିବ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ ସାର୍।
Sir, Rohit sir, namaskar.
नमस्कार सर।
Namaskar.